How to enable or disable replied without confirmation to have Siri send replies without first reading back the message on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. In here, you want to go down and tap on Announce Messages with Siri, and then tap on Reply without confirmation. So if you turn this one on, then you can have Siri send replies without first reading back the message. And if you don't want to use it, you can turn it off. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to your previous screen, or you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.